Well, I'm writing to me is the English translations of them. At first, I couldn't understand how she went from present to past to future to present to just writing one sentence could stream right into the other. And then after reading, sometimes reading over a story over again, knowing how the ending comes out, I could understand what the beginning is all about. To be perfectly frank, I prefer nonfiction, which is straightforward with mostly factual, but her style of writing is unique. And after a while, you can get used to it, and if you read a story twice, knowing how the end comes out, it's easy to understand the story throughout the story. The only story she wrote that I recall that was straightforward chronologically was The Death of My Aunt, which really told the story of how she found her aunt and where she put her aunt in the hospital and the death at the end. That was more biographical and autobiographical and chronological in order. But other than that, I think most of the others jumped all over the place, which, once you understood them, became a fascinating way to tell a story.